Over time, the belt will eventually wear out and need to be replaced. We'll be performing this demonstration on the Mopit Mid, but we'll point out any differences you'll encounter on the Max. To replace the brush motor, you will need the following tools: a pair of needle nose pliers, a 1/8 inch and a 3/16 inch Allen wrench. For the Max, you'll need a 3/16 and the Mopit's onboard 5/32 inch Allen tool, located on the back right corner of the machine. With the Mopit on its back, remove the belt cover by turning the thumb screws counterclockwise. Using a pair of needle nose pliers makes this step a lot easier. On the Max, you can use the onboard 5/32 Allen tool to remove the two countersunk screws. Loosen the two motor mount screws by using the 1/8 inch Allen wrench. You'll find 3 screws on the Max, all 5/32. With the 3/16 inch Allen wrench, turn the belt tensioning screw counterclockwise to loosen and remove the old belt. This will be the same on both models. You're now ready to install the new belt by repeating these same steps in reverse order. Place the new belt over the pulleys, making sure that the grooves in the belt align with the grooves in the pulley. Turn the belt tensioning screw clockwise until there's about 1/4 inch of movement when you squeeze the belt together between the pulleys. You can now finish tightening the motor mount screws. Replace the belt cover. Remember that the short thumb screw goes in the hole closest to the bottom of the machine. Stand the Mopit up, and stow the onboard Allen tool for future use.
Give us a call at 1-800-290-2833 or email us at mopit@mopit.com if you have any servicing or other questions about your Mopit. Thanks for being a Mopit customer.